So this is the model which has the green row in the top and the red in the bottom. Let me quickly power it on. So the brightness is currently set to 10. It can be increased to 30, 40, up to 100. The default brightness recommended for a masjid is anywhere from 40 to 450. So the top row shows all prayer times, the Jamaat time, the prayer start time, the end time, Ishraq time, Tulu time, Zawal time, the masjid's name, Islamic date, and a custom message. And in Ramzan it will also show Seher and Iftar time as well. The top section keeps on toggling all the prayer times as per the local settings. So Maghrib time is automatically updated as per the city settings, which could be Hyderabad or Bihar, Patna, anything for that matter. And that can also be changed from the app. The bottom row will show all the 5 namaz or Jamaat times of the masjid at a glance. And when there is no prayer upcoming, the top section keeps on toggling every 5 seconds. What happens before Jamaat? For example, Jamaat of Isha is at 7:35. 15 minutes before the Jamaat time at 7:20. The top green toggling will also stop and only show the upcoming Jamaat time, which will only show as Isha at 7:35. And exactly at 7:34 you will see a countdown, and then at 7:35 you'll hear a small beep, which I'll demo in the next video. I have now changed the Ishan Jamaat to 8:50 for the demo, and as you can see, because the 15 minutes before Jamaat has already started, the talk part which was toggling all the prayer times has stopped to only show the upcoming Jamaat time, which is Isha in this case. The same thing will happen when there is Ishraq time or Turu time or Zawal time. It will only show you smartly what is required at the exact time, and once this time passes, it reverts back to toggling all the prayer names, the masjid name, and so on and so forth. Exactly at 8:49 you will see the reverse countdown start, and the moment it hits 8:50 there will be a small beep indicating it's time for Iqamat. I'll quickly pause the video and we'll continue it back from 8:49 onwards. As we can see, the last minute to 8:50 has started, so there's a reverse countdown, and the moment it becomes 0 you'll hear a beep for 3 or 4 seconds. Now you will hear the beep. That's a short beep for around 4 seconds, and it will blink indicating it's time for Jamaat, and 5 minutes after it will still show the Isha Jamaat time, which means up to 8:55 it will still continue showing Isha at 8:50. So that if people come late to the masjid, they can still see what time Isha is, they can offer prayer. The moment you offer salam around 8:57, the top display will revert back to toggling and showing all the prayer times, Ishraq time, Tulu time, and so on and so forth. Thank you.